Assalamu alaikum student. Here is an activity 3.2. It says take the biodegradable materials and cross the non-biodegradable materials in the pictures. Here is the first picture. You see vegetables and fruits which are decomposed. Therefore, we shall put a tick with this picture. In the second picture, you see eggs and certain chemicals in shopping bags which are non-biodegradable. Therefore, we shall put a cross in this picture. The third picture is of tin cans which are non-biodegradable. Therefore, a cross has been put with this picture. In this picture, you see bread which is biodegradable because it decomposes. Therefore, a tick has been put in this picture. This picture is some shopping bags are there in a basket of plastic which are non-biodegradable. Therefore, a cross has been put in this picture. This is the picture of newspapers, and you know paper is biodegradable because it decomposes. Therefore, a tick has been put in this picture. Here you see certain dung cakes placed in the form of a pyramid. You see an animal, picture of an animal, and a hut is there which shows the village life. The dung cakes are decomposed, these are biodegradable, therefore a tick has been put in this picture. This is the picture of some bottles and a basket of plastic which are non-biodegradable, therefore a cross has been put in this picture. This is the picture of a tub which is metallic. A cross has been put in this picture because it is non-biodegradable. Here is another activity at page number 40. Activity number 3.4. It says, look at the pictures and write on them the numbers 1, 2, 3 or 4 of the relevant bins shown below. Here at the end of the page, at the bottom of the page, 4 bins are shown. All of these are green in color. Number 1 is for biodegradable. First bin is number 1, which is for biodegradable things. Number 2 is for reduce, which is reduce is the first step of the 3R strategy. Number 3 is for reuse, which is the second step of 3R strategy. Number 4 is for recycle, which is the third step of 3R strategy. Now let's start now. In the first picture you see apple, which is biodegradable. Therefore, number 1 has been given in this picture. Number 1 has been written here. Second picture you see there are blocks which can be reused. Therefore, number 3 has been written here. In the next picture, there are some bottles, etc., which can be recycled. Therefore, number 4 has been written in this picture. This is the picture of some shopping bags, and we should reduce the use of shopping bags. Therefore, number 2, which shows reduce. Number 2 has been written in this picture. Next picture is of a banana which is decomposed. It is biodegradable. Therefore, number 1 has been written with this picture. This is the picture of fruit which are decomposed. These are biodegradable. Therefore, number 1 has been written with this picture. This is the picture of tin cans which can be recycled. Therefore, number 4 has been written with this picture. This is the picture of some bags which can be reused again. Therefore, number 3 has been written in this picture. This is the picture of some files, etc. You know, these can be recycled. Therefore, number 4 has been written with this picture. Now we come to the exercise. First is fill in the blanks. Environmental pollution is the addition of harmful materials in the environment. तो ये आपने फिल इन ब्लैंक्स में क्या लिखा है? एनवायरमेंटल पोल्यूशन। Second, those harmful waste material which are added into air, soil and water are called as pollutants. Solid waste which will be degraded by themselves are known as biodegradables. The three R are reduce, reuse and recycle. The substances which cause pollution are called pollutants. Smoke is a source of air pollution. Bacteria growing on raw sewage use much of oxygen from water. These are the filling the blanks. Now come to the next activity, that is encircle the correct option. 4 options are given, MCQs are here, and which of the following diseases can be caused by air pollution? The first one is, which of the following diseases can be caused by air pollution? Options are lung cancer, diarrhea, cholera, dysentery. Its correct option is, that has been ticked here, is lung cancer. Toxic matters like mercury, lead, chromium, arsenic, etc. are found in freshwater pond, sewage water, rainwater, industrial waste. Its correct option is industrial waste. Typhoid can be caused by the germs present in fertilizers, pesticides, sewage water or industrial waste. Its correct option is sewage water. Which of the following is non-biodegradable? Options are grass clippings, feather, styrofoam, paper. Its correct option is styrofoam. The cause of acid rain is road dust, industrial smoke, water vapors in the air, oil spills. Its correct option is industrial smoke. Now here is another activity. Match the words of column A with the pictures of column B. Numbers have been given with each column. With column A, 1 for biodegradable, 2 for non-biodegradable, 3 for water pollution and 4 for air pollution. In the first picture you see water, dirty water, polluted water. Therefore, it shows water pollution. Number 3 has been written with first picture. In the second picture, smoke is coming from a factory, which shows air pollution. Therefore, number 4 has been written with this picture. The next picture shows some vegetables or plants. These are biodegradable because these decompose in the soil. So these number 1 has been written with this picture. In the last picture, there are certain bottles of plastic. These don't decompose in the soil. These are non-biodegradable. Therefore, number 2 has been written with this picture. This is all about the unit number 3.